Welcome back to my channel, Saving with Christina, and happy Walmart Wednesday. Today I get to share with you the best deals going on over at Walmart for the week and how I scored all of these items not only for free, but I made $7 buying it all. And of course, I'm gonna break it down for you step by step. That way you know exactly how I did these deals. I will tell you it is Tuesday night right now when I am filming, and I am home alone in the house, which is not something that happens very much these days. So I'm excited for that. As soon as I finish filming this video, I am in workout clothes, workout hair. I am jumping on the treadmill and getting some exercise in before I make dinner. So that's kind of what's going on with me. I also, y'all wish me luck. I have a doctor's appointment on Friday. I've been having some issues with like my hip flexor, and so I can't run the way I used to because I'm in a lot of pain. So I'm hoping that they can figure out what's wrong, and hopefully it is simple and there's a quick fix and an inexpensive fix. So those are the things that I am hoping for, and I can just get back to life as normal and not have to deal with this pain. Okay. Lots of fabulous deals at Walmart this week, and I'm excited to share them with you. I also have an update for you on Brand Club. Remember last week I said I'm just going to show you the deals that I did, and then I'll come back this week and tell you if those surveys did in fact credit, and they did. I am so happy. So I posted the video on Wednesday. I did my shopping on Tuesday. So I submitted my receipt to Brand Club on Tuesday. It was Sunday that the like pending retailer confirmation was actually confirmed, and I got all the money back from all of the brands. So that was amazing. So it looks like things are getting back on track and the app is doing fantastic. I did want to let you know that I plan to talk with them again this week, and someone suggested that I answer some questions like in real time about Brand Club, so I am working on making that happen for you guys. If I can't get it done this week, I'm going to do it next week, so you're going to hear more information on that as well. All right, let's start getting into the deals. The first one I did is on this Colgate Kids. Now, this is 94 cents. I scanned it in my coupons.com app, little barcode in the coupons.com app. It showed that it qualified for a $2 rebate, so I submitted my receipt, and that receipt is processing, but I expect to get that $2 back, making this completely free and a $1.06 moneymaker. Now, I also got the Always Discreet, again, these moderate pads. They are $5.27. There is a $5 coupon in the April Procter & Gamble insert. It doesn't expire until April 30th. So I bought 2 of them at $5.27. I used that $5 coupon. And then I got back $5 on Ibotta, which makes them a fantastic price. But I had also done a survey on Brand Club for $2.75 back. So I expect to get that $2.75 back in a few days on Brand Club, making both of these items completely free and a $2.21 moneymaker. Now, if you don't know what Brand Club is yet, I do have a complete tutorial on the app, and I will link that down in the video description box. But if you want to grab the app and start playing with it, grab it using my link because you'll get an additional $10 when you sign up. So another great deal that I grabbed this week. I also grabbed these at Walgreens this week, but I grabbed a couple more at Walmart. It's these Clorox to-go packs. They're only 97 cents, but there's currently an offer on the Checkout 51 app for $1.13 back, and it's a limit of 5. So I grabbed 2 at Walgreens on Sunday. I grabbed 2 more at Walmart today, making these both completely free and a 16-cent moneymaker each. Now, let's talk about some more Ibotta deals. This right here, the Raid Multi-Insect, there's a number of different products that qualify for both the coupon and the Ibotta rebate. So these guys are $6.98. You want to get 2 of them. there is a buy one, get one free coupon. Now, when you scan that coupon, it is going to call an associate over. So if that's not your jam, you don't want to do this deal. But because it's a buy one, get one free, they have to write in the amount on the coupon, so it's going to call them over. So the girl wrote the amount on the coupon, stuck it in. I paid $6.98 for both of these, submitted my receipt to Ibotta where I got $7 back, making them both completely free. Now, another great offer with Ibotta is on these Chic bamboo razors. So they are $5.97. I had printed that $4 coupon from coupons.com, and I'll link that for you guys down in the video description box. So I paid $1.97. Then I got back $3 on Ibotta, making this completely free and $1.03 moneymaker. Other Ibotta offers that I did. This deodorant. This deodorant's $10. $10 for deodorant? I don't think so. All right, so I got the Dove Ultimate Women's, the Dove Ultimate Men, both $9.98. Now, I didn't have any coupons for these, so look and see if you can find coupons, but I didn't have coupons. I just know on the women's, I got back $5 on Ibotta, and then I submitted my receipt to the Shopkick app where I got $5.08 back, making this free and a 10-cent moneymaker. Now, on the men's, I bought this one at $9.98. I submitted it to Ibotta, and it actually attached to two different Ibotta offers, a $4 and a $2. And then I submitted to the Shopkick app for $5.08 back on Shopkick, making this one free and a $1.10 moneymaker. Now, if you're not using the Shopkick app, of course, I do have a full tutorial on that one that you can find on my channel. But if you are brand new and you use my referral code SWC5, you're going to get an additional $5 back when you scan your first receipt. Another deal that I finally found, and it was actually up by the registers, I had been looking in the wrong place, I guess, is on this plant-based jerky. I guess you don't call it beef jerky if it's plant-based. This is $3.98. There is a $1 coupon that you can print from their website, and I will link that for you guys in the printable document. So you'll pay $2.98. You'll get back $1.25 on Ibotta. That was my Ibotta offer, as well as $1.68 back on Shopkick, making my final cost just 5 cents. And I'm curious what this is going to taste like. If you've tasted this, let me know what you think. I wanted to actually open it before I did the video to let you know, but I forgot. Let's talk about Zardy. Okay, so Zardy is a new app similar to Brand Club where you buy products and you get points back for buying the product and then answering some questions about the product right after you buy it, and then getting additional points back when you do a follow-up survey about what you thought of the product. So essentially they're paying you for your thoughts on the product, which I love. But if you don't want to spend the time doing that, totally fine, don't do it. But I'm still going to tell you about the offers that I did and what I got back. I heard that they were on a wait list. I don't know how long it takes to get accepted into the program. If you've recently signed up, let us know down in the video description box. I don't have a referral link. You just have to go to Zardy app and download it and then start shopping. When I go in there, I see the offers in my app. So one of them that I'm super excited about is the milk. Hello, I love getting deals on kitchen staples like milk. So the milk, $1.61. Now the Zardy offer was good on the half gallon or the full gallon. So I grabbed the half gallon at $1.61. Zardy gave me back $1, which makes my final cost just 61 cents. Now, when you get the points back, you're getting some of the points back when you first buy it, and then you're getting the rest of the points back when you do that follow-up survey. And those surveys don't take very long at all, but again, if it's not your thing, don't do it. The pudding. So this pudding is 92 cents. The Zardy app gave me $1.28, which means it's completely free and a 36-cent moneymaker. I did the same thing with this all-purpose flour. I grabbed the small one because it was the least expensive. It was 94 cents. Zardy gave me back 95 cents, making it free and a 1-cent moneymaker. I also snagged the saltine crackers. So this 4-pack, 98 cents. Zardy gave me back 90 cents for buying it and reviewing it, which means my final cost will be just 8 cents. The next one I did combined both Zardy and Brand Club. So these are $2.68. There was a Zardy offer for $1.05. I had taken a Brand Club survey that gave me $2.25. So I'm expecting that to hit once my receipt completely processes through Brand Club. So that makes my final cost free and a 62-cent moneymaker. Now, was that it? No, I forgot to tell you about a couple of deals here. The Carbona, I think it's Carbona, $2.38. There are 2 different Ibotta offers attaching for $1 each. So it made my final cost just 38 cents, and I love their products. I feel like they work really well on stains. And then this one here was a Shopkick offer I forgot to mention. This small Suave Fresh. It's $1.18. There was a Shopkick offer for 70 cents back, making the final cost just 48 cents for this item. The clearance, so many things on clearance for Easter, and it was all 90% off. My store still had a ton of stuff. I have told y'all before, I have a really hard time passing up things at 90% off, even if I have no idea what I'm going to do with them. So this cake mix was just 15 cents. I only bought one of them, so y'all be proud of me. I only bought one. I also grabbed this Duncan Hines like cookie sandwich mix. It was 52 cents. And then I grabbed these little Easter barks. There were barks, mini grams, and I think some like white chocolate covered cookies. All of them were ringing up just 36 cents. So check out your Walmart, see if they have some Easter stuff because those items should be ringing 90% off. I have a bunch of pictures that I'm gonna throw towards the end of the video that shows you everything I found when I was at the store that was ringing up on clearance. Lots of Easter stuff and lots of clothes marked on clearance. Mostly like the sweaters and sweatshirts and sweatpants, but a lot of it was ringing up only $1. So that's a great item that I enjoy buying and then donating somewhere that could use those. If y'all have any questions, don't hesitate to drop them down in the comment section below, and stay tuned for something super awesome that I'm hoping is gonna come out by next week. I wanna tell you so bad, but I'm not going to. So I'm hoping it is gonna come out by next week, and I will give you more details as I am able to. Thanks.